Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut AI model feature to try on your products. And here, if you are already on CapCut, you can just here click on the expand to see all of the menu, and here you go, you'll spot AI model. So click on that. So here you can just click on models, and also you can select the models that you want. For example, I'm going to use this model. Click on the check icon. Now add your products. So here click on the plus icon to upload the photo of your products to CapCut to let the models try on your product. So just wait, CapCut will load. Here it will remove the background, and now you can change the pose. For example, I'm going to use this one. Now click on generate at the top and wait for the result. So as you guys can see here, it will show like this. You can just click on export, then the photo will be saved to your gallery. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.